Hi guys, how to install Google Chrome without any download with just one simple command. You just need to open your CMD, open Start menu on your Windows, type CMD and right click, open as administrator. Then type this command, winget space install space Google.Chrome and press enter. When you are asked to agree, just type Y and enter. Then wait for the installation is completed. And that's it. Just use the shortcut to open the Chrome that is now installed on your system. This method can be used with another programs. I will let in the description the command lines you can use install another apps. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video.